Hey everyone, welcome back to Victoria Makes. In this video, we are going to make a delicious kheer using paneer, also known as cottage cheese. It's so simple, full of flavor and easy to make. Let's see how we make it. Ingredients for paneer kheer. Here I have quarter cup of rice, wash and soak it for 10 minutes. I'm making this kheer for 4 people, so I'm using quarter cup of rice. If you want to make a bigger batch, just double or triple the ingredients. This is 500 ml of full cream milk, and to this I'm adding 1 cup of water and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. I'm adding 10 to 15 strands of saffron. Add them at the beginning so both the color and flavor infuse beautifully as the milk boils. Now add the soaked rice to the boiling milk and cook on medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the rice is soft and cooked. Once the rice is soft and mushy, add 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. You can also use brown sugar if you prefer. Stir well so the sugar dissolves completely. Now add half cup of crushed paneer to the rice. Let it cook along with the rice for a few minutes, stirring gently so the paneer blends well with the rice. Add half cup of condensed milk to the mixture. Keep stirring for a few more minutes so it blends well. Finally, add some sliced almonds or any nuts of your choice, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness, and some ghee. Stir gently to combine. This will enhance the flavor and aroma of the kheer. And that's it. Flavorful kheer is ready. Serve it warm or chilled. Enjoy with your family and friends and make every moment special. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Victoria Makes. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.